Once you have your project completed, we want to take it out of this format and turn it into something that's usable and is more standard. Right now, if we save this project as it is, it would look just like this, and it's not really a usable format for media players, and so we want to do a process we call exporting it. So in order to take this project out, we're going to send it out and turn it into an MP3 file. So we're going to click on the File menu, and we're going to say Export as MP3. Now, we're going to get a couple messages. First one is just a warning, which is just telling us after we export this to an MP3, we will no longer have all these separate tracks. Everything will be all combined together, which is exactly what we want. So we'll say OK. This is a national anthem project I was working on, so I'm going to export it to my desktop. I want it to be an MP3. Now, this is the next warning message that I'm going to get. It's going to tell me that in order to turn this into an MP3, we have to have this special program that's an add-on, a plug-in with Audacity. LAME is the program. It says, would you like to locate it right now? Well, actually, at this point, we haven't downloaded it. So we're going to go back to our Audacity page in our browser, and I'm back on the home page. I'm going to go to the Downloads tab. This is where things start to get a little bit tricky with using this. And I'm going to go to Plugins and Libraries. That's where I'll find this. I'm going to scroll down to this is the library, the LAME FAQ section. And if I'm a Windows user, follow this. This is very simple in the Windows use. In the Mac use, it's a little bit more complicated. So I'm going to click on this button and go to the download page. This is going to take me to the site. And I'm going to go ahead and do that because it'll take me down the screen. Here we go. Here's the version that I want if I'm using Mac. The version that you want for Windows is up here. This is the version for Mac. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to ask me what I want to do, and I'm going to hit Save. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to go to my desktop, and we're going to see it here on my desktop. After it downloads, we get this. It means I need to unzip it, unpack it. So I'll do that. It'll lead me through installing it. I'm going to say Continue. I'm going to change my installation location. Put it here, and I want to choose my folder as the Applications folder. I'm going to choose that, hit Continue, and then I'm going to install it. At that point you'll get an installation complete. Happy sound, but yet we're still not done. Let's jump back into Audacity. Here's our message. We need to find that library. Now I've already done it, so I'm going to click Yes, and we're going to go find it. Now what I found is the easiest way to find it is click on my computer here, and I'm going to start typing in the search. There it is. It's showing up for me right now. I'm going to click on that and open it. It's kind of in a hidden place. It's hard to find it, so you want to do the search for it on the Mac. On the Windows side, it's a lot easier. You just click it and find it, and then it installs just like that. Now, back in Audacity, I'm going to export as MP3. There's an anthem. Oh, we just did it. Forgot. So, I should be able to go to my desktop now, and I should see, here's my National Anthem project, created as an MP3 file. So it took all of this project here and condensed it down into that MP3. Thank you.